Hi guys, Yokoso. Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about the numbering in Japanese. So let's begin the video. So what do you call for ichi? One is ichi. Two is ni. Three is san. Four is yon. Five is go. Six is roku. Roku. Seven is nana. 8 is Haji, 9 is Q, 10 is Ju. So Ichi, Ni, San, Yon, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Q, Ju. So this is the numbers from 1 to 10. So numbers are called as suji in Japanese. So suji. So Ichi, Ni, San, Yon, Go, Roku, Nana, Hachi, Q, Ju. This is the numbers from 1 to 10. And then what will you call for 11? That is 10 plus 1. So that is Ju, Ju, Ichi. Ju, Ichi. So that is 11. 11 is Ju, Ichi. And 12 is Ju, Ni. Ju, Ni. Likewise, it will go till 19. Ju, Q is 19. And then what will you call for 20? That is Ni, Ju. Ni, Ju. That is here. Ni and Ju. It is 20. So likewise again it will go like Ni, Ju, Ichi, Ni, Ju, Ni, Ju, San, like that. It will continue. So if you want note till 99, it is this. If you know from 1 to 10, you can easily pronounce 1 to 99. So and then 100 is haku. Haku is 100. So ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi, juni, ju3. It continues like that till 99, and then 100 is haku. Yeah, thank you guys.